Airspace Cabin Vision 2035. Airbus is thinking about the future of airplane cabins. They want to make them more eco-friendly and reduce waste during production. They're designing seats that are lighter and offer more space. It's uncertain if these ideas will actually become real in the future. Winter Urus. Cars might look different in the future, but for now, Lamborghini offers a winter adventure kit for their Urus owners. It includes special gear like winter tires and mats for safe and enjoyable winter driving.